Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best GH Nutrients is probably one of the most trusted and popular hydroponic nutrient lines on the market, offering a comprehensive range of products for growers of all levels, from beginners experimenting with their first hydroponic setup to experienced cultivators looking to maximize yields and quality. This video will dive deep into the various General Hydroponics nutrient lines, exploring their unique formulations, benefits, and how to use them effectively to achieve optimal plant growth and impressive harvests. Number 5. GH pH Control Kit. Maintaining the right pH level is crucial for healthy plants. This kit provides everything you need for accurate and reliable measurements. It's a streamlined system, giving you fast, precise readings every time. Say goodbye to guesswork. This kit has it all: pH up and down solutions, a test indicator, tube, dropper, and a clear chart. Everything you need in one box. Experienced growers trust it because it's reliable, easy to use, and a cost-effective alternative to electronic meters. Just fill the test tube with nutrient solution, add a few drops of indicator, and compare the color to the chart. It's that easy. Remember, the ideal pH for most plants is between 5.5 and 6.5. This kit helps you achieve that perfect balance. What we like. It provides you with everything you need for accurate pH testing. The simple testing process makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned growers alike. If you value ease of use and reliable results without the high cost of electronic meters, this is the kit for you. What people say. This product does exactly what it says it does. Efficiently too. This product is 3 bottles pH up, pH down, and a pH test solution. Also comes with a vial to conduct the pH testing in and a pipette, which I thought was great. I ended up getting on before I opened the package, assuming they did not provide one, but General Hydroponics really gives you everything you need to open the package and do testing right away. The acid solution is very effective, which is nice. You don't want to use a lot of product to achieve results and end up being in need of more solution, spending more dollar. I suggest using this 1 to 3 drop at a time, waiting 20 minutes or so based on water flow and size of your container, and doing another test. Perfect for hydroponic systems and soil-based gardening alike, this kit includes pH up and pH down solutions, along with a pH test indicator, to help you adjust and maintain the optimal pH level for your plants. Number 4. GH CALiMAGic 100. It's a concentrated blend of calcium and magnesium, essential for your plant's health and growth. This unique formula helps prevent common nutrient deficiencies. Fast-growing plants need readily available calcium and magnesium. It ensures your plants get the nutrients they need, when they need them. Say goodbye to blossom end rot and tip burn. It helps your tomatoes, lettuce, and other plants thrive by providing crucial nutrients. It's designed for easy application. It won't clog your system and can be used with other fertilizers, making it a versatile solution for your hydroponic setup. With a 1:0:0 NPK ratio, it delivers the perfect balance of calcium and magnesium without excess nitrogen. Give your plants the care they deserve. It's the simple solution for healthy, thriving plants. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. This concentrated formula prevents common nutrient deficiencies. It's perfect for fast-growing plants and helps prevent blossom end rot. If you're looking for a simple solution to improve plant health and yield, this is the product for you. What people say. General Hydroponics CALiMAGic is an exceptional product that holds numerous benefits for indoor cannabis cultivation. With its concentrated blend of calcium and magnesium, it addresses crucial nutrient deficiencies and enhances the growth and development of cannabis plants in hydroponic systems. The product mixes well and dissolves easily, making it simple to integrate into my nutrient regimen. I've seen fewer deficiencies and healthier growth since I started using it. Effective at preventing nutrient deficiencies. After incorporating CALiMAGic into my nutrient schedule, I saw immediate improvement in leaf quality. Within a week, new growth appeared healthy, and the discoloration stopped spreading. Number 3. Flora Series 3-part. Give your plants the best start with the Flora Series, a complete hydroponic nutrient system. It provides everything they need to thrive. It contains nitrogen and calcium, plus trace minerals. These are vital for healthy growth and development. This nutrient is key for flower and fruit production. It's packed with phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and sulfur for a bountiful harvest. It supports strong growth and lush foliage. It provides additional nitrogen and potassium for a robust plant structure. The Flora Series is a three-part system that makes hydroponic gardening simple and effective. Watch your plants flourish. With the Flora Series, you're providing your plants with precisely what they need at each stage of growth, resulting in healthy, vibrant plants. What we like. It offers a complete nutrient solution for all growth stages. Each bottle targets specific plant needs for optimal results. If you want a comprehensive nutrient system that supports your plants from seed to harvest, then this is the one for you. What people say. My plants are thriving and I am ready to harvest. The simple how to use and the directions is very easy. I've switched a number of my plants that had root rot into a hydroponic system using these nutrients and LECA. I ended up cutting all of the roots off of the Thai constellation pictured in this review, and 2 months later, my Thai constellation developed a perfectly new and healthy root system. Package OK, delivered fast, works well. Number 2. Flora Trio Set. Get ready to elevate your gardening with the Flora Series. This hydroponic nutrient system provides everything you need for thriving plants. It promotes strong root development and healthy vegetative growth. This is the essential first step for a successful harvest. Watch your plants flourish with FloraGrow. It fuels vigorous growth during the vegetative stage, ensuring strong and healthy plants. It's specially formulated to encourage abundant flowering and fruiting. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. The Flora Micro, FloraGrow, and FloraBloom work together seamlessly. Together, they provide a complete nutrient solution for all your hydroponic needs. Simply follow the instructions for optimal results. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. With the Flora Series, you'll achieve bigger, healthier plants and a more abundant harvest. Experience the difference today. What we like. This provides a complete nutrient solution for all growth stages. Each bottle targets specific plant needs for optimal results. If you need a larger quantity of a complete nutrient system that supports your plants from seed to harvest, then this is the one for you. What people say. My plants in LECA are super healthy since I started using this. Had some struggling plants. After using, plants started growing at a rapid rate. Product is easy to use. It's so easy to use and I don't ever have any issues. The GH website has tons of feed charts, so it's really easy to find a feeding schedule that works best for whatever you're growing. I love that I can use other brand supplements with it. CALiMAGic, Flora Trio, Liquid Cool Bloom, Advanced Nutrients Big Bud and Overdrive, and Botanicare HydroGuard work together perfectly. I love that the nutrients can be used in all grow mediums. Number 1. Flora Series Trial Pack. It's a complete hydroponic nutrient system, providing everything your plants need to thrive. This simple system ensures your plants get the right nutrients at every stage of growth. It's rich in nitrogen, calcium, and micronutrients. This helps support fast growth from seedling to maturity. It's a balanced blend of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients build strong stems and lush leaves. It's packed with phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and sulfur. These are key for big, beautiful flowers and bountiful harvests. It's easy to use and provides precisely what your plants need for optimal growth. Get ready for amazing results. Watch your plants flourish with this complete nutrient system. It's the key to unlocking their full potential. What we like. It's a convenient trial size of a complete nutrient solution for all growth stages. It's perfect for testing before committing to a larger purchase. If you are looking to try a complete nutrient system but want to start small, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The Flora Series allows simple adjustment of nutrients to match the life stage of the plant. For hydroponic use, recommended dilutions on the bottle work fine as the only addition to water after any pH adjustments. Flora Grow really stands out from many other nutrient systems because it does not settle out of the solution easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.